G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today we're going to be doing a teardown of a... What the fuck is this anyway? We're a teardown of an AEG Pro Lithium 6 amp 18 volt battery. G'day, my name's Jim and today we're going to be doing a teardown of an AEG 6 amp Pro Lithium 18 volt battery. So stick around, this is going to get good. G'day, my name's Jim and today we're going to be doing a teardown of an 18 volt 6 amp 18 volt Pro Lithium AEG battery. G'day, my name's Jim and today we're going to be doing a teardown of this AEG Pro Lithium 18 volt 6 amp battery. So stick around, this is going to get good. Alrighty, well here we have a AEG 6 amp battery, and I'll try and find the right little things because these have got security tabs in there. These, let me see if I can focus this bastard in for you. So they've got these little tiny lumps inside the screws. So you need one of these with a hole in it. So I just got this from Bunnings. It was like $5 or something. I'm going to use this to see if we can get this bastard apart. Now, is this thing a ratchet? No, doesn't appear to be. So, I might use this. Bits of crap and dirt going everywhere. There we go. Right. So here we go about getting it apart. I'll just pull the top clamshell off. Get rid of that out of my way. Get rid of that out of my way. There we go. Oh, she looks good too, doesn't it? Juicy. It is completely and utterly fucked. That's what happens when they go under 4 meters of water. Alright. Let's see if we can cut up any of these bloody cells. And see if there's any possible chance of saving any. Yuck. This is completely frogged. Very disgusting. So there's all our packs. There's our temperature sensor. Just in a very, very, very bad way. It's very disgusting, actually. actually don't think any of these are going to survive. I think they're completely going to be fucked. These are so nasty. Don't know why I'm even bothering. Bloody hell. That one's actually expanded. This is how you get the tabs off, like that. Sometimes they break, sometimes they don't, but then you grab this bitch here and just peel them off like that. Funny feeling these are going to be totally fucked, but anyway, might save one or two, I doubt it.